At Berghaus, we build tiny houses with great passion and care, using high-quality, ecological materials. Come along with me and I show you what the building process looks like. The most important words for us are quality, ecology, and personalization. That's why we use our tiny house models as a basis for your dream tiny house. Once you have ordered your tiny house and have all the necessary information, our architects will work with you to develop a technical drawing. This is so that the look of the tiny house is exactly like your vision. We will order all the required materials after a final confirmation from you and let the building commence. At the beginning, we built the frame made of durable C24 Scandinavian spruce. You decide on the length of your tiny house so that it's adjusted to your needs. On the frame we put the facade, made of high-quality thermopine, as well as the roof, made of German steel sheets. In every tiny house there is at least 7 centimeters of insulation inside the walls and the floor, and also 12 centimeters of it in the roof. The insulation is made of mineral wool, recycled cloth or wooden wool, with additional ISOM foil behind the facade. When it comes to interior cladding, we offer spruce wood. The floor is made of durable and stylish oak panels. In the bathroom we have a smart and modern design. We also use ecological wall panels inside the shower, made by FICO. The kitchen is the most personalized space inside a tiny house. That's why we project it individually, with a kitchenette and all the amenities you need. Similar to the living room, where we put your favorite furniture in this space to help you relax in your tiny house. Of course, we also deal with electric installation, floor heating, as well as fresh and grey water installations. In addition, we offer photovoltaic devices and a water fueling system with tanks if you want to increase the mobility of your tiny house. As you see, at Berghaus you can expect a high quality and individualistic approach. If you have any questions, please contact us. We will be happy to talk to you.